Nice stick, Boots, Boots. Drop it. Oh, you guys. Oh. That's sillies. Oh, Rex, it's okay. It's just a car. Boots, Boots. It's okay. Wasn't coming in this driveway. Good boy. Rocky, let them play. Oh, too many on one. Rock, Boots, go. Well, you should have come out when I told you to, you little snippers. Rex. Come on, Boots. Let's get the toy. Off. Apple, stop. Bootsy! I don't even know where he went. There you are. Like the wind. Hey, sit. Sit. No, sit, sit, sit. Good man. Sit, Boots. Okay. Yay, Boots got the toy. Get it, Apple. Good Boots, man. Alright. 10 to 1, she'll have it. 15 seconds. Yep, that's it. You're very good at giving up the toy to that girl. You're very good at giving up the toy to that girl, you are. Yes. Okay. Sit. Sit all the way, butt down. Boots, sit. Sit. I know it. He has a much easier time sitting for food, believe it or not. Toy sitting on a nice thaw winter day. Hey! You two, knock it off. You're silly. You're silly. You're very fast.